How to delete Reddit account on iOS or Android. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Reddit account on your iOS or Android. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Reddit app on my phone. Now when I'm on my Reddit app, then I need to click on my profile picture in the top right corner, and then we need to click where it says settings. Now when we have done that, we need to scroll down until we see where it says deactivate account, and that is exactly where you will need to click on. After that, you will get this message, and as you can see, your account, profile, and username will be permanently removed, but the post, comments, and messages will not be deleted, just so you know. So to delete the account, just click where it says yes, deactivate. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.